How's it going, guys? So look, I don't want to sit around with a phone book scraping yellow pages manually for businesses directory to contact as potential leads for my business, and you don't have to do it either. From our friends at Lead Sniper, we're going to talk about the yellow pages scraper and how awesome it is. So we're going to dive in and check it out right now, so get ready.
All right, guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Another awesome video here on behalf of my friends at Lead Sniper. Today, another great product from them with the yellow pages scraper, and we're going to check out how this works. Now, the cool thing about this is that it can scrape from over 9 different yellow pages websites, and today we are scraping from different regions of Canada locally. So let's roll it and see how it goes. Boom. So you're just going to type in the region, the niche, and the business, and obviously Canada, so the province, and you're going to hit start. Everything is going to run smoothly and efficiently. Okay, I've never had one issue with this software glitching out, not working properly. It works flawlessly, and the updates they've done to it have made it work even better, and the leads that it targets are even a lot more redefined. So you can download as a CSV or XLSX file, drag and drop right from your Google Chrome browser, download folder into your Google Chrome, into your drive, right click and click on convert to Google Sheet, and bang, you're going to get an amazing list of high quality leads from your local yellow pages directory. Now it's going to include the phone number, the physical address, the website domain, and you're going to get the email addresses and perhaps the business owner's name as well for that contact information. Very fast and efficient, easy to use, and cost effective. Get it today. It's kicking butt in my business. I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration. All right, so now we're going to talk about the Yellow Pages Scraper's features and everything else that comes with this amazing software. You saw in that great demo how it worked. Now I'm going to tell you exactly some of its features and the pricing. So you could still get it for a free trial, and everything I mentioned in the pricing packages is only a one-time fee. So don't worry, you never pay again after making your investment in whatever package you decide. But you're also going to get unlimited technical support 24 hours a day. I'm one of the happy 12,000 customers. You can check out some testimonials. Those are very important to watch if you have any doubts or you're skeptical. It's going to save you time and money, okay? And you can see how it works here as well. Very cool stuff, use cases, screenshots, and 45 different fields that it extracts from, and you can scale with enhanced savings. But before we get into the pricing, I want to also mention that the Yellow Pages Scraper features a great feature scraping from over 9 different Yellow Pages websites. That is absolutely phenomenal, okay? But not only can it do that, but the Lead Sniper products can also scrape email addresses. That's one of the key features of this amazing software. And then you can use that to enhance your cold email outreach. So it's great. And all of these tools are going to save you time, eliminate manual searching, and help your business grow. It's also going to help marketers easily find targeted leads to grow their network and reach potential clients more effectively. Okay, so now I know you guys are probably wanting to get into the pricing. What's this going to cost? So let's do that right now. All right, so now we're on the pricing page here, and I'm going to tell you, man, this is some great software. Simple, transparent pricing. Okay, very cool stuff. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that base price is still $149. But what's cool is that you're going to get more of a discount if people buy more license keys and the products. Now, the more discounts you're going to get if you do that, for example, we're going to look at the discounts you get when you buy more license keys down below. Okay, so let's make sure we're down below. There we go. Okay, so 10 licenses at $700, total savings of 47%. 20 licenses, $1,728 for a total savings of 58%. 30 licenses, $2,906 for a total savings of 65% off. Amazing. 50 licenses, $5,215 for a total savings of 70% off. But we also have our enhanced team licenses. We're just going to come down there right here. So this can include, for the first package, enhanced team license, okay, 5 to 30 users, 35 to 62% enhanced volume discount. You're going to get priority technical support and custom training sessions. Pay your way, credit card, PayPal, or crypto, all right? We also have our enhanced enterprise solutions. This can be for 30 users or more, up to 70% enhanced bulk discounts, dedicated account manager, custom workflow setup, and you can pay your way with credit card, PayPal, or crypto, and want bulk pricing for your team contact sales, all right? Thanks a lot, guys.
All right, so as you can see, very fast and efficient to scrape those yellow pages using the Yellow Pages Scraper from Lead Sniper. Click the link down below, get started with a free trial, and get those unlimited leads using 9 different Yellow Pages websites and that awesome technical support, and we'll see you in the next video. Click the link, get started.